Alright, welcome back to another video. Out riding the Blue Trail and Follow the Dog Cannock Chase today with my friend Joe, who's in front. And does a lot of road cycling and rowing, but not really mountain biking, so we'll see how he gets on. And hopefully we don't break him. It's quite nice and flowy, isn't it? It's really loose though, so you've got to be careful. So Joe's got his GoPro with him that he uses for rowing, so we're going to see if we can try and get that mounted on his bike and hopefully get some dual perspective stuff going on, but not sure how usable it's going to be without a chest mount. Might be a bit bumpy. Yeah, I really like that bit. All right, there we go. Got it? Yep. So here's what is new.
Oh Jesus.
We follow the dog. Got those 3 drops and then these huge berms. Huge improvement over the previous section. So this is the other new section. It's not too much, to be honest. Kind of flat, but yeah, it weaves its way throughout the trees here. Yep. Crushed it.
Nearly lost it right at the start.
Losing it at the start's not too bad, it's just in the middle when you would fall in the muddy bog.
Yeah.
So The thing about riding with Joe is that even though I've done a lot more mountain biking than him, he's still much fitter as a road biker and rower. He trains almost every day. Well, I think Joe's sort of natural athleticism, fitness and experience on a road bike has made him have one of the fastest progressions I've ever seen. Woo!
Like that bit.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh, good.
Okay, ready when you are.
Track stands in the world can't pay for this.
Keep going. Oh, so close.
Yeah.
Yes, keep going. Nice, crushed it. So, werewolf drop, always a bit of a challenge with 780 handlebars. Smooth as butter.
Yeah.
Crushing it.
Post is not ready for that.
Pardon?
Post is not ready for that.
Alright, it's the last section. There we go. That was good fun.
Don't know if I got any air, that was pure muscle.
No, you definitely did on one of them.
I really send it up.
So how did you find the trail as a whole?
Yeah, a lot of fun. Definitely feel myself improving like over the course.
Yeah.
Like those, like the last flowy bit there, felt like riding a completely different bike to when I was doing the first bits on the blue.
Yeah, you definitely
Like able to move into them, you know.
Yeah, you definitely looked a lot more confident and less sort of wobbly.
Yeah. Good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Press to see you in the next one.
There we go. Thanks for watching.